Family counseling is a vital aspect of maintaining harmonious relationships and resolving conflicts within the family unit. Throughout my life, I've encountered moments when our family sought professional counseling to navigate challenging situations and enhance our dynamics. One key lesson we learned is that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Family counseling provides a safe space to address deep-seated issues and facilitate open communication. It equips us with the tools needed to navigate conflicts and build stronger bonds. Our family counseling experience involved a qualified therapist who helped us understand the root causes of our conflicts. We explored our individual perspectives and acknowledged that everyone in the family has unique needs, desires, and expectations. The therapy sessions encouraged empathetic listening and constructive dialogue. We learned the importance of active listening, where each family member was given the opportunity to express their feelings and concerns without judgment. Through the counseling process, we identified common goals for our family and set a path toward achieving them. The therapist provided us with valuable strategies to enhance our relationships, such as conflict resolution techniques and effective communication skills. Family counseling also emphasized the significance of forgiveness and healing. We came to understand that letting go of past grievances and embracing forgiveness was a transformative step towards rebuilding our family bonds. Ultimately, our experience with family counseling led to a more harmonious and loving family environment. It allowed us to address issues that had been festering for years, leading to improved understanding, empathy, and unity. In conclusion, family counseling is a powerful tool for maintaining healthy family relationships. It reminds us that even in the face of challenges, there is hope for healing and strengthening the ties that bind us.